This is our story of Adruta Children Home, a happy home for homeless children.
Adruta Children Home is an endeavor to address the cause of the abandoned, parentless, destitute, and marginalized children.
Every year, we come across at least 500 new cases where children become homeless in Odisha. Some are abandoned, some are surrendered, while some lose their family due to disaster or disease.
Every child is uniquely endowed. Every child is born with a possibility. If a child is given a conducive environment, every child can grow into an extraordinary human being. That is what our effort down the time has proved, beyond doubt.
जय शुभ वज्रधर शुभ्र कलेवर व्यथांबर हर देहि पदं जय विषान निनादक क्लेश विदूरक विषान निनादक क्लेश विदूरक शर्वधिधारक देहि पदम् शर्वधिधारक देहि पदं जय शुभ वज्रधर शुभ्र कलेवर व्यथांबर हर देहि पदम्।
450 बच्चे की मम्मी होना तो बहुत खुशी की बात है। ऐसे सब नहीं कर पाते हैं और आई एम लकी एंड प्राउड आल्सो।
When I asked the volunteers who are running this in the children home about the fund which they were getting, I was surprised to learn from them that they are not getting any government grants. All the material, the articles useful for the children are contributed by many institutions and donors, and even small farmers, laborers, shopkeepers, they contribute by way of small quantities of rice or few small things which will be useful to the children.
माने जीवन रो सब किछि मिली जाय छै हमको निज बापा माँ भले समस्ते से स्नेहटा हमको सब किछि जागृत करिछि तेणु करी आद्रता कहले हमको बहुत गर्व लागे।
It is this strong sense of identity gained in Adruta that enables our children to participate in the mainstream society in a positive and confident way. At Adruta, our remarkable methods and practices ensure that each child is guided to explore their core ability. We also ensure that all our children get the best of nutrition and care in an environment attentive to their physical development, holistic development, life skills, and most importantly, their formal education.
Adruta Home children are some of the best students that we have. They are very high achievers and they are hardworking and they believe in excellence.
आमे आद्रुता रे बहुत भल अच्छु बहुत सुरक्षित भाव अच्छु आमर सकाळ राति पर्यंत केयर नवा पे आम मेस माने अछंती से माने आमर बहुत भल रे केयर नोचंती।
हमारे बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो कभी सोचते नहीं कि हमारा कहीं कोई नहीं है, तो कभी अगर इन लोग को कोई पूछता है तो भी वो बोलते हैं कि नहीं हम लोग का मम्मी है और मम्मी है हमारी और मम्मी नहीं है क्यों बोल रहे हैं।
We plan as much as we can. We work as best as we can. We reach out to people for support as far as we can. Yet our journey has not been an easy one.
It is not that first of all you arrange funds, then think of children. No. If an abandoned child knocks at your door, then you don't have choice. You have to induct the child because you may have opportunity to earn money later, but the child doesn't have an opportunity to survive. So our doors are always open for the abandoned newborn babies who are otherwise deserted.
I am very happy to contribute whatever little I could do for these institutions, and I am impressed by the inspiring work of Dr. A.K. Mahanti.
From Jindal Steel and Power Limited under JSPL Foundation banner, we are really feeling privileged coming here, staying with the children and understanding their need and doing the little bit whatever can be done as a person and also from a corporate side.
A lot has been done by a lot of people and organizations for Adruta children, but then there's a lot more that needs to be done. A small community of well-wishers has helped us sustain all these years. Now it's time we expanded our family. It's time you joined in. Your action today has the power to shape tomorrow of a child who definitely needs it the most. On our part, we're committed to gratefully acknowledge every donation we receive from you and report every expense that we plan and make. So what are you waiting for? Open your heart. Change a life. Today. Reach out to us and call Anand on +91 94384 71488 or mail on adrutahome@rediffmail.com.